Welcome back to my channel Adhyan with Flow. Okay, so let's begin with menstrual cycle. So this is the diagrammatically representation of menstrual cycle. Let's discuss one by one. Okay, here they write down the days. Clear, guys? Here they write down days 1 to 29 days. Okay, starting phase approx 1 to 5 days, 6 days is menstruation stage. 8 to 13, 14 days follicular phase. 17 to 24 days luteal phase, and then next cycle begin. Now what happening in these phases, like what kind of mechanism is carried in menstruation, what kind of mechanism development in follicular luteal stage. Guys, menstruation stage these days 5 to 7 days follicles are developed, and then after 8 to 14 days these follicles become mature, and 14th day they release their ovum. Here they release their ovum. Guys, this is not compulsory that they take only 14 days to ovulation. Many women may be vary. It may be 11th day, it may be 12th day, 13th day, 14th day, 15th day, according to their menstruation cycle. Now after release of ova, this process is called as a ovulation. Okay, after ovulation, remaining part is called as a carpus luteum, and they proceed further. Now what kind of hormonal changes occur here? What kind of hormonal changes? Look at here. After ovulation, progesterone level is increased. Progesterone level is increased. Remember my word. After ovulation, progesterone level increase. Okay. Who promote ovulation? Estrogen, LH, FSH. They promote ovulation, guys. Why they write here? Why they write here FSH and LH? Why they don't write here? Guys, these hormones secreted by pituitary gland, and these hormones estrogen and progesterone, they secreted by ovaries. These hormones secreted by pituitary gland at the time of ovulation, and these hormones secreted by ovary at the time of ovulation. Now you clear? Now this diagram is clear, guys. So this is your menstrual cycle. That's all, guys. That's all. You have to remember these names. Which hormone increase at the time of ovulation and which hormone increase after ovulation. You have to remember these hormones names and their functions also. Okay, let's start with fertilization and implantation, guys. Okay, now we know that sperm is the male gamete. This is motile, small in structure, and here is egg. They are large in size compared than sperm, and they are not mobile. They are not motile. Okay, they are not motile. So after mating, after intercourse, men release their sperm into the vaginal tract of women. Now at that time, at a one time, 200 to 300 million of sperm released at a one time. Now they move towards the vaginal tract. Let me draw a diagram. Assume this is a fundal part. There is a fallopian tubes, uterus, ovary, vaginal tract. Assume this. Now here is sperm. 200 to 300 million in number at a one time. Now here is egg. Here is egg, means every month girls release their ova. At the time, if sperm is enter in the female's body, sperm what they do? They move towards the egg. Now guys, this is not easy, okay? That sperm enter in woman's part and they can easily move. No guys, they need some activation. They need some activation. They need some enzymes. They need calcium for movement. So sperm can travel inside the woman also. With the help of these things, sperm can easily move towards the egg. Now after reaching towards the egg, look at here, this is the structure of, look at here, this is the sperm and this is the ovum. And now here is sperm, look at here, sperm want to penetrate ova's outer covering. But guys, this outer covering is not easy. No, because here zona pellucida membrane is present and they make sure that this sperm is this is the sperm is from same species or not. That if a sperm is enter in the woman part, assume any kind type of sperm enter in the woman part. So zona pellucida, what they do, they specify, they are specific for their species. If human sperm is enter na, so only human sperm can penetrate this ova. If assume donkey sperm, camel sperm, elephant sperm can we want to fertilize with woman, so this is not possible with the help of zona pellucida. Okay, so after reaching zona pellucida, sperm break zona pellucida layer. There is zona pellucida 1, zona pellucida 2, zona pellucida 3 and 4. These 4 layers are present and this is the most important layer. If this layer is mutated now, if this layer is not present in female, so fertilization is not occur. Okay, so sperm will enter and break this layer and enter in ovum and then fertilization will happen. Complete in sperm insert inside and they fuse with ova's centrioles, because sperm carry their centrioles and ovum carry their centrioles and they fuse and make what, zygote. So yeah, whatever I explain here already is written here. Clear guys? I'm again repeating for you. At a one time 200 to 300 million of sperm enter in the woman body part. After, with the help of activation some enzymes and calcium level, they reach towards the ova and they fuse with ovum. After breaking the zona pellucida, sperm break zona pellucida and they completely insert into the ovum and their centrioles are fused and fertilization will occur and then zygote will form. Clear? We complete fertilization. Now we will discuss about implantation. Wait, implantation. Guys, this is the ovum. Sperm will come and fuse with ovum. This step is clear. Now this step is what, zygote. So zygote divide, again divide and they make blastula stage. This is the important stage. They make blastula stage. We can say it as a blastocyst. So now after reaching this stage now, they implant here. Look at here, ova is released, sperm is penetrate the ova, zygote, this structure is stage is formed, then this is stage, and here this stage will form. And now after reaching blastocyst, they implant into uterus part of female and then baby grow, then embryo fetus will grow here. So this is the overall mechanism of implantation. And division is very simple guys. One cell is divide, make 2, these 2 divide and form another 2. So they are the arrangement. 2 divided and produce 4, 4 divided and produce 8, 8 and 16, 16 22, 64. Okay, and further on. After blastula, what kind of stage is present? Guys, they are embedded. Yeah, this stage. After this stage, gastrula stage is present. Now gastrula produce 3 types of layer: endoderm, mesoderm and ectoderm. Each germ layer produce their specific organs. Like mesoderm make bones, teeth, cartilage, RBC. Okay, ectoderm produce outer rigid parts of the body and endoderm produce inner lining of the body, inner lining of lungs, inner lining of our food pipe. Yep. Next, okay, look at here, implantation. Okay, here is trophoblast and inner mass cell. What you understand by trophoblast and inner? Look at here, this is the blastula stage. Yes or not? This is the blastula stage. And here is some cells are present. Look at here. Guys, these cells outer cells, we call it as a trophoblast cells. These are helpful in what? Formation of placenta. So baby can attach with. Inner cell mass, they are responsible for organ formation. This thing. So guys, there is your transport of ovum, how transport of ovum is present, how fertilization is present, passage of growing embryo through fallopian tube. You understand here. Alright. Next thing is what? Look at here. Human chorionic gonadotropin, first important, HPL, estrogen and progesterone. We also call it as a mother hormone. We also call it as pregnancy hormone. These hormones are responsible for pregnancy. These hormones are responsible for pregnancy. Look at here guys, here fetus will grow. These are the placental villi. Who form placenta villi? Trophoblast. There is yolk sac. This is the embryo. This is the female uterus part. Here umbilical cord. This is the umbilical cord, 6 layer. Look at here. Here blockage of plug of mucus in cervix. After delivery, this blockage will break. Okay. Next is what? Okay, I already teach these things. Like stem cell. Let's discuss about stem cell. Now, what are stem cells, guys? If you collect stem cells, guys, these cells have means they have high potency. They can form any kind of organ because they have high potency. According to their potency, totipotent. Those cells who are totipotent, they make each organ, every organ. If I use here pluripotency, they make several organ. If I use multipotency, they make multi. And if I say unipotency, they make only single organelles. Means if I say that zygote is totipotent, pluripotent, multipotent or unipotent. Guys, zygote is totipotent. Look at here guys. Because after zygote, guys, wait. After reaching zygote, so this is the totipotent cell. So this cell make complete embryo in womb. This cell, only this cell, they divide and make complete embryo. So these cells are totipotent cells. They make complete embryo. If I use pluripotency, those cells who make several organs, like guys, those cells who make RBC, WBC, platelets, single cell give rise these things. So they make multiple. They make several organs. Multi means they make a little bit organs. Unipotents like sperm, guys. Spermatogonia, they only make sperm. If I use this term oogonia, so they make only egg. So they make only unique, only one. Totipotent, toti means total. They make complete embryo. Pluri means several. Multi means multiple things they will form. And unipotent means unique, single. That's it. So guys, this is all about stem cell. I already teach here mesoderm, endoderm and ectoderm. They make different kind of organ. They make different kind of organ. Okay. Now lactation, after giving birth, if after childbirth, there are some hormones will activate like oxytocin. They release milk from mammary gland. This process we call it as a lactation, guys. So guys, I think that's it. That's all for now. We will meet in our next video with new chapter. So guys, thank you for listening me, and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel Adhyan with Flow. Keep smiling. Revision. Thank you so much.